Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Volkswagen Passat B6, B7 and CC gear shift knob gaiter in 8 easy steps. First, open the ashtray and then insert two fingers to push the gaiter frame forward and then pull the gaiter up. So if you can see those two hooks that holding the gaiter in place. So if you can see those two, that's why you have to push forward the frame to release those two hooks. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So if you can see those two holes, and you have to push it forward and then pull it up. After that you can release it from the back. And on the sides there's no hooks. So pull the gaiter knob up to have access at the metal clip. Now you can see the metal clip. You have to use a flat blade screwdriver or something similar to expand that metal clip. This is from another car, but it is the same. It is the same procedure. So then pull the gear shift knob out. It's very easy. After you expand that metal clip, you can find new gear shift knob gaiter in the video description below for Volkswagen Passat B6, B7 or CC. So if you see that there's an area with dots, so when you install the new gaiter, you have to install the new gear shift knob on the lever and press it hard until you reach that small dots area. Then tighten the metal ring using pincers or pliers, and then fix the new gaiter on the plastic part starting from the back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.